most important section of the whole act for tax professionals. Please listen to it carefully. There is a very important amendment which has come recently, which is effective from 1st Jan 2021. Section 132, punishment for certain offences. I repeat, punishment, jail, imprisonment. Section 132. Section 132 of CGST Act 2017, amended via notification number 92, dated 22nd December. Recently, an amendment came. What is the amendment? Earlier, the section 132 states, whoever commits any of the following offences. Whoever commits any of the following offences. Now, what does whoever means? As per my opinion, early it meant the taxpayer who commits the following offences. What are the offences? We'll discuss. So, whoever had a very limited scope earlier, right? Now, I will tell you the amendment. Whoever commits or causes to commit and retain the benefits arising out of. लॉ की लैंग्वेज है, प्लीज समझिएगा. Whoever commits or causes to commit and retain the benefits arising out of. Is this referring to tax professionals? I won't say anything, but you can yourself understand. Or causes to commit and retain the benefits arising out of any of the following offences. What are the offences? Supplies any goods or services or both without issue of any invoice in violation of the provisions of the act with the intention to evade tax. कोई इनवॉइस इशू आपने किया, उसमें आप टैक्स बचाने की आपकी इंटेंशन है, तो दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑफेंस. सेकंड ऑफेंस, issues any invoice or bill without supply of goods or services or both in violation of the provisions of this act, leading to wrongful availment or utilization of input tax credit. I repeat, leading to wrongful availment or utilization of input tax credit. Sir, punishment हो गई है section 132 में. Not only to the taxpayer, but also a person who causes to commit and retain the benefit arising out of it. This is why ITC reconciliation is very, very important these days. Clause number C. Avails input tax credit using the invoice or bill referred to in clause B, which we discussed, or fraudulently avails ITC without any invoice or bill. अगर आपने गलत ITC avail कर लिया, if you have availed without invoice, right, without invoice or bill, that is also an offense under section 132. Last offense, collects any amounts as tax but fails to pay to the government beyond a period of 3 months. If he collects some payment and does not deposit to the government within 3 months. These are the 4 offenses under section 132. Sir, today's topic is issues in ITC. Why are you discussing the penalty offenses? Why? Because there is a problem. The problem is we consider the value of anything when we know the consequence of that thing, right? So first, I'll start from the consequences. If you are not reconciling the ITC, if you are not availing the proper ITC, that is a super offense in section 132. And imprisonment. Let's discuss the imprisonment. If in case where the amount of tax evaded or the amount of input tax credit wrongly availed or utilized in the or the amount of refund wrongly taken exceeds 500 lakh rupees. If the amount is more than 5 crore rupees, with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years or more. 5 साल की जेल है सर, अगर 5 करोड़ से ज्यादा का अमाउंट है. सर सुनने तो आज कुछ और आए थे, आपने सुना कुछ और दिया है, ऐसा ही लग रहा है. So chat box में I am reading the comment, I am loving the comment. Please keep writing in the chat box. Sir, we thought कि we'll discuss the issues in ITC. You are telling something else. जेल हो जाएगी सर? Yes, shall be punishable imprisonment for a term which may extend up to 5 years. अगर 2 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा है, 5 करोड़ तक है, 2 crores up to 5 crore, then it may extend up to 3 years, the imprisonment. Yes. And if the amount of tax evaded or input tax wrongly availed or utilized exceeds 1 crore rupees and up to 2 crore rupees, then the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year with fine, right? So I'm reading the chat, people are writing, "Arey sir, bail kara lenge," right? Even if imprisonment happens, what will, no problem, right? We'll bail. The offenses specified in clause A or clause B or clause C or clause D of subsection 1. What are the clauses which we read just now? And punishable under clause 1 of that subsection. This is how law is to be read. Law पढ़ लिया sir? ये 4 clauses थे. We discussed those 4 clauses. And punishable under clause 1 of that subsection shall be cognizable and non-bailable. Non-bailable है sir ये section 132. Cognizable and non-bailable. Also, section 69, power to arrest will be invoked. Section 69, subsection 1, power to arrest will be invoked. Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slide, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser, it works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.